Don't pop a wheelie. Don't pop a wheelie. Frick.
You didn't pop a wheelie?
I didn't pop a wheelie. Who said this was a good idea again?
What's up, guys? We're out here at El Mirage OHV area. There's motorcycles. We got Allie's motorcycle, and we're gonna be testing them all out. CC's motorcycle, Mac's motorcycle. Mac's first time riding. Gonna be Allie's first time riding. Should be a fun one today, guys. Thanks for coming along. And if you're not already subscribed, smash that subscribe button. We got a lot of cool videos coming out this season. Whoa, whoa, help me, Caesar. Like, tipped over. All right, it's on the kickstand. Carlo's out there ripping it already. All right, get yours off, Caesar, if you want. Warming up Allie's bike. Put your feet up. Put your feet up on the bike. Go. Slow. Slow. Al, he's great. He's great. Yeah. He's stuck to it already. He's got it. He's ripping it, dude. He loves it. He loves it. Look at him.
Come on, baby.
He's like, oh.
Look at him standing up already, babe.
Slow it down. Stop it. How does it freaking rip?
Good. I think I already went 60.
Holy cow. Don't go past second gear. Did you already go past second gear? Yeah? What? Third? Don't go past third then. Just take it easy. Take your time. Okay, you look great out there, bud. Yeah, he's on cloud 9. I knew he would be. I knew that was a great size for him too. And he wouldn't be too scared because the clutch would have discouraged him. Let's get you on, buddy. Let me just turn the gas on. Okay. We're gonna get the kickstand off here. Okay, so you can hold it up with your feet. Okay, and now it's in neutral. Practice shifting up into first. You always want to keep your foot on this pedal or this peg, okay? All you want to do is go like that, okay? That's all you have to do. And you're just going to do it once, okay? So try it. Got to get it under there. Yeah, that was it. That was it. Try it again. Yep, that was it. Yep, that was it. This is your brake. Can you reach your brake? Okay, and then this is your other brake. Can you reach that brake? Yeah, keep your foot on there. Okay, and that's how you brake. This one down here does your back brake. This one up here does your front brake. Okay,
Press them at the same time.
yeah, you're gonna stop. Okay, and we're just gonna practice going real slow. So let's practice starting it up. Go ahead and try and start it up, and let's make sure you're in neutral. Hold on. Okay, you're in neutral. All right, start it up. Okay, close that back. You want that out of your way. Okay, yeah. Put that, yeah, put this one on the ground and hold up the bike with that foot. And then you're gonna put it in first. Okay, it's gonna start going, and then you're gonna twist the throttle really slowly because then you're gonna shoot off. Okay, but I'm gonna hold you. I'm gonna hold you. Don't worry. Put your feet on. Put it in first. Put it in first. Okay, there. Now you're in first. Now we're gonna twist the throttle real slow. Just watch. I don't want it to die. Okay, see?
Daddy taught Caesar how to ride this bike. This is a good size for you.
Just go like a bike, like a bike. Just twist the throttle. Twist it and go. Okay? No, slow, like that. Okay, put your feet on the peg. Slow, 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 go. Good, 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 good. You got it! Put it in neutral. Step it down. Step it down. There you go. You did it, dude. You did it. You did it. You rode the motorcycle. Hey, put it in first and go. Or yeah, go. There you go. There he goes. He got him, my boy. 2 boys on 2 wheels. 1 more to go. Caesar! Matt! Once you're ready to go a little bit faster, just put it back in neutral. Put it back in neutral. Use your brakes too. Don't forget to use your brakes, okay? But when you want to go a little bit faster and you're going whom, whum, you stop going whum, whum, and you push this up again, okay, when you're moving. And that will let you go to 2. Only when you're feeling ready. If you need to keep practicing 1, then wait and keep practicing 1. You understand? Okay. Okay, now do it again. Now he's like, oh my God, I get it. Oh, he's like, wow. I just showed him how to shift in a second. He's like, oh my goodness, so much opportunity. Carlo, let me see you, dusty boy. Oh my goodness, sir. Sirski. You look awesome, bro. All right, mommy, let's give you a little tutorial here.
Before I turn it on, this is my throttle.
Yeah.
This is my brake.
That's your clutch over there. The soft one is the clutch. That's the brake.
This is, why would they put the, okay, so.
Because if you have to reach to squeeze, yeah.
Yes. That makes sense. Yeah. Okay, this is my clutch.
You quickly realized.
Yes, I did.
This is your other brake here. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Now move it forward. Nope, see, that's first gear. Okay.
That's first gear.
That's first gear. Now pull it up like halfway.
Pull it up?
Yeah, there. That little click, that half click, it should be in neutral. Yeah, it's back in neutral. Now, when you're going, you're gonna go down into first, and then you're gonna shift past that half click all the way up into second. Okay? So let's practice going from first to second. So go down into first. Okay? Now make sure you're in first. Okay, you're in first. Now you're gonna wanna give it more force when you bring it up. There you go, that's second. Make sure you're still in gear. Yeah, okay. Now put it back in neutral. Okay, it's usually, yeah, that went into neutral, but you might have to feel it out a little bit. And that'll be your tester, you know.
Gear right now?
Well, you gotta clutch in if you need to shift gears every time.
The clutch in,
yes.
off the throttle.
Yes.
And then
now,
down into first.
Down into first. But you're gonna slowly let this off. And you're gonna be just looking for that point at which you feel the bike start to roll forward. Okay. That is gonna be your engagement point. That's gonna be the point you need to learn on this bike. That will be when you start introducing throttle. We're just gonna let off this slowly. And once you feel it start to move, pull it back in, okay? Feel that point? Okay, and continue to let it out and see how far you can let it. Don't let it stall. Okay, see, so that point right there is where you have to start feeding it throttle, otherwise the bike's gonna stall out. Okay. So just let it off and give a little throttle if you're comfortable. Otherwise, just hold it at the point that it starts rolling. And
it's too slow.
Yeah, well, you let it too far without throttle and it's stalled. Okay. So start it back up. And then it's just all throttle after that. It's gonna be peppy though. Yeah, you'll just find that balance. There you go, throttle. No, right there. You needed to give it gas. You had it.
I'm never gonna get this.
You will. You will.
It'll take all day.
No, you just gotta just.
Kids learn faster than I am.
Well, they don't have clutches. This is harder. You're learning manual transmission and a motorcycle in the same go. So.
Who said this is a good idea again?
You said it'll be a challenge.
Yeah.
Just don't do it so fast. There's no rush. Throttle, throttle now. There you go, go, go. Throttle, throttle, throttle. There you are. That's it. Mavi got it. So glad I got her this little bike, man, and not something way big. Throttle, throttle. There you go. All right, get you started.
I'm gonna show how
Okay, put it in first. Watch where you're driving. Okay, because you're gonna go this way. Let's scoot you over here more. Okay, now put it in first and go. Put it in. Oh. So clutch in, brake in.
I killed it.
Why didn't you squeeze your clutch?
I did, but I killed it.
How did you kill it?
I don't know.
Okay.
Well, I think I just gotta try
Play with it. Yeah.
and
Yeah.
figure it out here.
I want to see you go 1 to 2 though. So I'm gonna follow you. Mommy's trying to get going. You gotta.
I need to have my clutch in.
Yeah, if you're gonna shift into gear, yeah. Yeah. You look like you made a big discovery. Like, oh, I need to have a clutch in. You got it. You got this. Okay, are we in the right gear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, move, I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm not ready.
Yeah. Ah! There she goes. She got it. Look at her. You look great, baby. Good job. So proud of you. She was getting frustrated. You didn't take a break now? Why'd your quad get so dirty? You were eating everybody's dust. Or you were eating your own dust. Quad, you want to take a break? Or are you going to go find mommy? Huh? Okay, go park it. This has been an awesome day. Everybody's gotten to learn how to use their new stuff. Carlo has made it his mission to get the quads as dusty as possible. And they're still out there ripping. Caesar just ripped through the sand in his bike. What's up, Mavi? Was the clutch in?
No, I said in the brake.
Yeah, you got, if you're gonna stop, the clutch has got to be in.
Oh, I didn't know that rule.
Yeah. That rule. That's science, baby.
I could feel the gears changing, and it's easier once you're in motion.
Yeah.
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 Like,
It's
yeah.
more forgiving too. Like even if you stump it a little bit, it just goes, you know, and it rides through it.
This thing is fun.
It is, dude. Bikes are fun.
Peace out, baby.
Allie just woke up. She woke up that bike. That bike popped a wheelie on Allie real easy. She honestly did so good. She kept her feet on and just rode through it and was fine. Did so great. Woo! Yeah. Look at Smile Skelly's reaction. He was like, what? Mama and Mac. Put a helmet on Skelly Smiles here so he don't get a ticket. There we go. Talk to it.
Hello, hello. We're friends now. Hello, hello. Let's do this without popping a wheelie. Let's do this without killing it altogether. Don't pop a wheelie, don't pop a wheelie, don't pop a wheelie. Don't pop a wheelie, don't pop a wheelie. Frick.
You didn't pop a wheelie?
I didn't pop a wheelie,
Yeah.
but now I gotta fight to find neutral. Okay, found neutral. Okay. Ah! Come on, Allie. Come on. Come on, Allie. Oh, come on! There we go. Oh, gosh. All right, let's see if I can switch gears okay. Let's see, let's see. Let's see, let's see. 1, 2, You want to take a break? Let's go take a break. Let's go take a break. I want a picture. Where's Carlo? You see my stop? My very ungraceful stop? No, I want a picture! Thank you for teaching me, babe.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Do you hear me yelling?
I heard you say,
Like,
yeah!
I did it!
Yeah.
Like yelling, I did it!
Oh.
Like, I was all excited.
That was good. That was really good.
Dude, that thing is scary fun. I'm like, I could see why people ride these.
They're fun.
Right away, just like that. There goes Davy. Davy and his boys.
Huh? Yeah. Okay. You're gonna get smoked. You ready? Set, go. Dang, man. Caesar's bike is fast. Yes. He keeps up with this thing like nothing. I was like, holy cow. Yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed our quick day trip. I would say it's definitely been a success. I'm gonna start getting everything loaded up here though. It's just about time to go. Gotta wrap it up.
I feel like I didn't do anything.
Could scoot it that way more. Lean it that way. Yeah. I'm so proud of Allie. So proud of Mackers. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, smash that subscribe button. Be sure to tune in for the next episode. Adios, everyone. Bye-bye, Lake Bay.